My sister kept dragging me to make another fish roll after the first one she tasted, and I decided to take you through this process. Guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for engaging on my videos. Today I want to show you how I made this easy fish roll, and it is so easy to make. You don't have to rob a bank for this. First, I'm going to steam my fish in boiling water. I added some onions, some salt, seasoning cube. I'm going in with some curry and my favorite seasoning powder, lasso chicken. I'm going to add some pepper, black pepper. Then I'm going to turn this, so that both sides get to steam well. I'm going to cover this and allow this to steam until the water is almost dried up. I'm going to set this aside to cool, and while that is going on, I'm going to measure out 300 grams of flour. I'm going with 40 grams of sugar, 2 grams of salt, 3 grams of baking powder, and then 50 grams of butter. I will combine this until everything has been fully combined with my hands. Then I'll add in my water bit by bit. I used half cup of water for this recipe. Now we're back to our fish. I'm going to debone this gently. Guys, you want to make sure that there are no bones in this. Once that is done, you're going to mash your fish. You can use your hands to do this, or you can use your spoon or your fork, whatever that you have available. I am going to bring out my dough that I had already needed. Then I'm going to massage it with my hands for about a minute and gently start rolling out my pie. You can see as I am doing this, I am pressing gently so that all the edges are sealed, and I'm also going to seal it extra with a fork. This is to ensure that the edges are well secured and our fish does not spill while frying. Pour in your oil into your pan, allow this to heat up. You're going to add your pie one by one. I'm frying this in 2 batches. I added 4 first and I'll fry the other 4 later. Fry till your desired brownness has been achieved, and guys, you can serve this with a chilled drink. I am serving this with freshly made chilled zobo drink. Guys, this is how the inside looks like. This is so delicious, yummy and amazing. Do subscribe if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.